Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Reolink NVR LAN port not working in 2026. So when the LAN port isn't working, you will notice things like no network light activity and we are not getting the IP address and remote viewing not working. So the problem is either the hardware or the network setup. So first of all, you need to start with the physical connection. Simply unplug and reconnect the Ethernet cable firmly. Look for blinking lights near the LAN port, and if there is no light, you can try a different Ethernet cable or a different router port. This quickly rules out the cable failures. Now, network glitches can also block the connection. So you need to turn off your router and NVR, then wait for 60 seconds and then power them back on. Let the network fully stabilize before checking again. Now you need to go to the NVR settings menu and make sure that DHCP or auto IP is enabled so that it can get an IP automatically. If it is set to manual IP, the incorrect settings can prevent the connection. Also avoid switches or extenders for testing. Connect to NVR directly to the main router, and this is going to help identify if the issue is caused by the network devices in between. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.